Many people prepare for UPSC, but only a few are serious. And the difference is not intelligence. The difference is not background. The difference is in how they approach the preparation. Today I want to talk about something very important. What do serious aspirants do differently? Because once you understand this, you will start seeing your own preparation clearly. Let me tell you one simple truth. Serious aspirants don't just study more, they study in a different way. Point 1, clarity. The first thing you will notice in serious aspirants is this. They are very clear, they know why they are preparing, what they have to study, what they should avoid. They don't keep changing direction every few weeks. Most aspirants keep on asking which book is better, which coaching is best. Serious aspirants don't waste time like this. They pick something and they stick to it. Point 2, limited sources. Serious aspirants don't run behind too many sources. They don't collect 5 books for one subject, 10 PDFs for one topic. They keep things limited because they understand one thing. More material does not mean better preparation. Point 3, focus. When serious aspirants sit to study, they actually study. No phone, no distractions, no switching between topics again and again. Even if they study for fewer hours, those hours are real. Most aspirants sit for long hours, but their mind is not fully there. Point 4, honesty with self. Serious aspirants are honest with themselves. If they don't understand something, they accept it. If they perform badly in a test, they don't make excuses. They don't say paper was tough, questions were unexpected. Rather, they ask, where am I going wrong? Point 5, consistency. Serious aspirants are not perfect. They also feel tired. They also lose motivation. But they don't stop. They keep moving. Even on bad days, they do something. Because they understand that success is not about one perfect day. Rather, it is about many consistent days. Point 6, they depend on routine. They don't ask, do I feel like studying today? They simply sit and start. Point 7, they value time. Serious aspirants respect time. They don't waste months in planning, overthinking, comparing themselves with others. They start early and they keep improving because they know that every month matters in UPSC. Point 8, they stay away from noise. There is a lot of noise in this preparation. Too many opinions, too many sources, and too much advice. Serious aspirants filter all this. They don't follow everything they hear. They stay focused on their path. Point 9, they think while studying. They don't just read. They think. They connect things. They try to understand because they know that UPSC is not about remembering lines. Rather, it is about understanding ideas. Point 10, they take responsibility. Most importantly, serious aspirants take responsibility. They don't blame the coaching, the teachers, the books, and their luck. They know that their result depends on them. Let me tell you something very clear. Serious aspirants don't look very different from others, but their habits are different. And these small differences create big results. So if you're not getting results, don't immediately change your books. Don't keep searching for new strategies. First check, are you preparing like a serious aspirant? Because in the end, UPSC is not cleared by those who try occasionally. It is cleared by those who stay consistent, focused, and honest. You don't need to do something extraordinary. You just need to do the basic things seriously.